to show you a new experiment about light and convex lenses. First, I'm going to show you the experiment and then I'm going to explain how it works. You will need a magnifying glass, a torchlight, and an object. I'm shining the light through this object, and now I'm slowly moving the magnifying glass between the object and the wall. On the wall, we see the inverted image of what I'm shining light on. If you still don't get an image, try moving the magnifying glass between the object and the wall till you get a sharp image on the wall. There are 3 rules to how this works. The first rule is that any ray parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focal point. As you see, we have the object and the light, or the ray light, is passing parallel to the principal axis, which is then bending when it reaches the convex lens through the focal point. The second rule is that any ray passing through the optical center will emerge without deviation. Again, we have our principal axis, and we have the object. The light is passing directly through the center of the convex lens, or the optical center, and it's not bending or warping in any way. The third rule is that any ray that passes through the focal point becomes parallel to the principal axis. We have our object and then the ray of light that when it reaches the convex lens immediately becomes parallel to the principal axis. The object in the experiment is a vase of flowers. The light from all of the parts of the vase of flowers when passing through the lens gets bent so that it creates an upside down image on the wall. You may wonder why light gets bent when passing through a lens. This is because of a concept called diffraction of light. Light, as some of you may know, is an electromagnetic wave. This wave travels at different speeds in different mediums. This change in speed affects the wavelength of the light and therefore bends the light when moving from air to glass. These bent rays converge on the other side of the principal axis of the lens. This is why the image is upside down. Thank you for watching. I'll be sharing more such videos in the future.